Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a review of a £5 coin from a bailiwick of Jersey that was issued in 2021. This is one of these coins that is being produced by Change Checker and Westminster Coins occasionally, a £5 coin for £5. You sometimes get 50p coins for 50p as well. We've got the portrait of the Queen, which I believe is the JC one. Yep. And if we turn over, we see that the 2021 coin is in fact one that I've already got and I've done a review on in the past. It's the 100 years of the Royal British Legion. Now the reason that I'm re-showing this in the sense of this is the second coin, the second one that I've got of this particular one, is the fact that it's on offer at the moment. So if you don't already have this coin in your collection and you want it, you need to go on £5 for £5 at Westminster Coins, and they were still on sale a couple of weeks ago, a week ago when I last checked. So fantastic coin, one of I think there's 3 or possibly even 4 in the set, but this is the full colour version, and there is also, I believe, 250p's, one with each of the coloured poppies on, and one with the poppies in just plain cupra nickel. I believe these stand out a lot more because of the coloration of the poppies and the different centre stamens. I enjoyed seeing this coin last year, and if you haven't already got it, it's now on a ridiculous deal of £5 for £5. If you haven't got it, my suggestion to you is go and find out where to get it. Go to the website. If you go onto Change Checker directly, you will not get the special offer version, you'll get the full price version. You need to search £5 for £5 coins. Okay, for those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, including this one, if you want it for your collection, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And lastly, I do 4 videos a week at this moment in time. Hopefully you'll find something that you can, or you would want to watch over the next week. I would like to grow my subscriptions. It doesn't cost you any money to subscribe to the channel. So if you've enjoyed this video and you believe I deserve it, please subscribe to the channel and allow my channel to grow. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and ta-ra now. Bye bye.